Hi everyone. Conditional statements, in English, talk about situations that depend on certain conditions. English has four main types of conditional sentences plus one mixed form. Each type shows a different time or level of possibility. Let's break them down one by one. Let's see number 1. Zero conditional. Always true. This is used for facts, rules, and general truths. Structure. If plus present simple, present simple. Key point. Both parts of the sentence are in the present tense. The result always happens if the condition is true. Examples. If you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. If it rains, the ground gets wet. Practice sentences. If you mix red and blue, it purple. If you don't water plants, they. Let's move on. First conditional. Real future possibility. This is used when the condition is likely to happen in the future. Structure. If plus present simple, will plus base verb. Key point. The condition is realistic. The result will likely happen. Examples. If it rains tomorrow, we will stay home. If you study hard, you will pass the exam. Practice sentences. If I finish my work early, I a movie. If you don't wear a coat, you cold. Next one is second conditional. Imaginary present or future. This is used for unreal or unlikely situations in the present or future. Structure. If plus past simple, would plus base verb. Key point. Even though the verb is in the past tense, it talks about the present or future. Use were instead of was in formal English for all subjects. Examples. If I won the lottery, I would buy a big house. If she were taller, she would be a model. Practice sentences. If I had a superpower, I. If we lived on Mars, we space suits. Let's move on third conditional. Unreal past or regrets. This is used for regrets or things that didn't happen in the past. Structure. If plus past perfect, would have plus past participle. Key point. The condition uses the past perfect. The result shows what could have happened. Examples. If I had studied harder, I would have passed the test. If she had called me, I would have helped her. Practice sentences. If I had woken up earlier, I the bus. If they had known about the traffic, they sooner. Finally, let's see mixed conditionals. Past and present combined. It is used when past conditions affect the present or present conditions affect the past. Mixed type 1, past condition with present result. Structure. If plus past perfect, would plus base verb. Example. If I had studied medicine, I would be a doctor now. Mixed type 2, present condition with past result. Structure. If plus past simple, would have plus past participle. Example. If I were taller, I would have joined the basketball team. Practice sentences. If she the scholarship, she at Harvard now. If he how to swim, he us at the beach last weekend. Which conditional do you find most difficult? Practice by making your own sentences and keep learning. Thank you.